What's going on, everybody? It's Chrissy Whispers here, and I got a video tonight. I wanted to go over some things that I mentioned in my last video. Any questions you might have. I think I'm going to clear the air on some things. I was watching the video and I said to myself, what questions would I have if I was watching this video? And I guess this would be some of the questions that we're going to go over. One question I thought people might have is, why would anybody buy your card for 25 cents if other people are listing it for a penny? And I'm going to show you a sale that I made just a couple days ago, or whatever it was, and I'll show you why. So if you take a look at my screen, I'm going to go over to a sale I made to our friend who I will not mention. Obviously you guys aren't going to see any of his information here, but if you look down at what he ordered was Radiant Greninja near mint and 2 Hisuian Heavy Balls, which is just a common card. And would you look at that, he bought 2 of them at 25 cents. Now, you might be saying to yourself, oh, well, how much does that card sell for? How do I know you didn't list it low? Well, let's take a look at the Hisuian Heavy Ball. Near mint on direct is 17 cents. 17 cents, 17 cents, 17 cents, 17 cents. Why would they give me 8 cents more? You know what I mean? That's the purpose of listing your cards at a floor. Now, the reason why it works is because I listed my Radiant Greninja at the bottom. It's not bulk. The Radiant Greninja sold for $2.96. 2 cents cheaper. It was the lowest listing by 2 cents. That's why that sold. But remember when I said people will just buy from you because they're already paying for shipping? Well, this is the case. So now you're saying to yourself, oh, well, it's just 50 cents. When you look at the fee structure on TCGPlayer, everybody just says 15%, everybody 15%, 15%. But let's look at what the fee structure actually is. This is the marketplace fees. Everybody just says 15%, 14%, but that's not actually what your fees are. This is marketplace seller fees. This is the account that we have. This is the account that I've been talking about, level 1 through 4. It's all the same commission fee. The fee is as states. It is 10.25% off the bat, just because that's their rule. Nothing, 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 and then the processing fee, which is 2.5% plus 30 cents. This 30 cents, believe it or not, is what destroys the singles, the bulk market. The fee amount on this order is 87 cents. 30 cents of that is just that 30 cents. You understand? So percentage-wise, that doesn't work, because on a small order, that 30 cents could be a much bigger percentage. You understand? So when you're looking at the fee structure, you're guaranteed 2.5 and 12.75. It's really only 12.75% plus 30 cents. That 30 cents matters, is what I'm saying. So now you could look at it this way. That 25 cent card, that almost covers that little fee right there. That almost covers that little fee. Sold 2 of them. That does cover that little fee. Gone. So now I'm just dealing with 12.75% on my Greninja, really. Think about it that way. Just erase that imaginary 3% that everybody likes to add to the TCG seller fee. Gone. Goodbye. Another thing that I was watching and I wanted to go over was, I noticed when I was showing you guys how to list your cards, I didn't mention anything about the reverse holo down here. I just kind of kept saying la da 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 blah 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 blah. If your cards are in the reverse hollow, you do list down here. That's where that would go, and then that also has corresponding bars, which you could see again here, for near mint, light played, and moderately played. Always go check it out, because the reverse hollow cards always sell for more than the regular common, non-hollow cards, I should say, common, uncommon cards. That's another thing I wanted to just clarify from the last video. All right, guys, and the last thing I wanted to go over was, in the video I mentioned I would go over how to set shipping rates with you guys, and I never actually did. So I just wanted to touch on that before I end the video and just show you guys quickly how to set your shipping rates. When you're in your profile, you're going to go to set your rates right here. You just click on it, and I don't do international shipping. I just have everything on inactive except for the United States. And then once you're there, you just go to edit shipping. Now, I haven't changed my medium large or extra large because I haven't listed anything that's not a single. So all singles go in the small category, and you can see here what goes in what would be under a small product. So anything in that would, your profile will automatically charge 99 cents for everything that you list that's considered small, and then so on and so forth. Again, I haven't actually changed my medium large or extra large because I don't have anything listed that's not small. The only thing that I would have possibly list on my profile would be some sleeved booster packs that I have. But that's all. I just wanted to touch on these things. Keep listing your cards. I don't know if you saw my inventory. I've got almost 1,200 cards. Still more to list, obviously. So that's what's going on with me. Thanks for stopping by. If you have any questions, you have any suggestions, leave it in the comments. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, maybe consider subscribing. We're doing whatever we can over here. If you want to join, Chrissy Whispers. Thanks for coming to the channel, guys. I'll see you later.